All right, guys, how you doing? This is a little note here about this TPI fan that I got about 2 weeks ago. I had a buzzing sound when you turn it on, and on low and on medium. I thought something wasn't right, but I fixed it. It was nothing, but I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on what the problem was if you have this problem. Come on here. All right, back here you see the capacitor there. I don't know. I just touched it, and I kind of tapped on it with my finger, and the buzzing would go away. So I just pushed it down a little bit, bent it, and it went away. And I checked. I also checked the. I put the front back on, but I checked the little post that caused the other one to break, and or whatever, the wires got caught in the fan or whatever, and it broke it. And I put some extra wire ties on there just to be safe. But that didn't take care of the problem. But I just happened to touch it, and it was just when I pushed on the fan back here, I could tell it would kind of go away. So I just kind of touched it and kind of moved it down like that a little bit, and it just stopped. So I'm gonna turn it on low, because low was, and when you first turn it on, it was really loud, and then on low and medium it was pretty bad. Let's see, you don't hear it at all anymore. It's perfect. So I don't know. I don't think it was inside the capacitor. I don't know what's in a capacitor. If it's just, I don't know. I've watched a couple people on YouTube, like Mr. Carlson's Labs. He rebuilds old All-American 5 and All-American 6 radios, tube-type radios, and the capacitors go bad in those, and I guess they have a tendency to buzz, but those were old 1930s to whatever, those radios are made. But I don't think it was that. I don't know if it was beating on the underside of the motor. I don't know. But anyway, it's fixed. And I don't know. It's just crazy. But it'd been driving me crazy, so I figured I had to do something, or call the company or something, or take the motor apart, because I did think it was coming from inside the motor, but it wasn't. So I also want to show you this. I'm going to turn it on high. Check out the spin down time. This is like 3 times my other TPI fan. My other one has a good spin down time, but this one is just great. So anyway, I couldn't remember if Lamont said he had his was buzzing or whatever. But if you have that problem, that's what mine was, and it's fixed. So if you have that problem, good luck, and thanks for watching.